Everyone, welcome to another Excitech BIM 360 surgery. This morning it is number 55, and today I'm going to take a look at a new feature which dropped on September 23rd, and it's around searching and filtering within the BIM 360 document management environment. This update is amazing, really cool to be able to filter and search. The one caveat that I must mention, it is only for projects created after September 23rd. So if you've got existing projects and they've been created before that, this feature is sadly not available, which is really annoying. I use my usual project, my BIM 360 surgery project. I've also got another sort of demo project which I use for all my demos, and that has also been created prior to that day, and none of this works in it. So I've had to sort of run around and create a new project with very little data in it. But so I've sort of run around. I did have a problem this morning creating it on the Excitech hub, so I have created on the Symmetry Europe hub. So I'm in a project called The New Possible, and I've got plans and project files, and you'll see I've just got a sort of a standard structure in place. And you'll notice there is a new button at the top of the docs called Filter Item. So this is available both in plans and project files. So if we're at the top level of plans, we click this filter button. It sort of launches this top thing and it tells you there is no filter available because it can't just filter folders. So it's really for the files, but there is a split between files and folders if you've got subfolders. So it's the same for project files. Click filter. Nothing really is happening. But if we jump down into my work in progress area and my architecture folder where I've got a series of different files, you can see that I did have to panic and put them in 2 minutes ago because the other project wasn't just working in the other hub. So now when we've got lots of files within a folder, it's typically been just really hard to filter, and we can obviously sort based upon the columns, but now we have this filter button. So when you click it, you then get these two options. You can filter by type. So this will read all the file types within your folder, and it's really simple. So if I just want to see my PDFs, click it on, and it just shows me all the documents. So it's returned the search of all the documents that match the PDF file type. You then have a clear filter button, and it resets it back. So if we run it again and we go, let's say, just show me IFCs, there we go. We also have, if we do it on PDFs as well, you can see you can do multiples and choose, and you have a clear button. So if we go, let's say PDF, if you have versioned files, you can then have a drop down and you can actually switch between a version 2 of that file, or you can switch it back to version 1. So previously what I mentioned was there was the ability to filter folders as well. So if I quickly add in a new subfolder, and I just let that go in like that, and then I turn this on and turn it back on again. If I clear the filter, what we should hopefully now see is I now get not only the version, I get the file type, but I also get the type. So when I select the drop down, now I can choose, well, do I just want to return documents? And you'll see that it will just hide out that, or do I just want to return the folder? So you can see once we get a subfolder within your area, it will work the same in work in progress. So I will be able to then go in and then filter it again. So let's take documents. So this will be really useful when you've got hundreds of documents within these folders. And we'll go all version 1. And there you go. So you can see it's a lot easier, makes it so much more user friendly to be able to just find data easily without using search. Just go into the folder, tick the filter button on, documents. Let's say we want Word document, current version, it's obviously going to be the same. So if we do IFC as well, and we'll do RVT, and we want to return just version 2 of them documents. So you can see then it's only found the 3 PDFs, which are version 2, and then to clear it all, we just simply clear the filter, and there we go. So it's very subtle, it is there. It's a really useful thing. As I said, the unfortunate thing is it's only after September 23rd on new projects only. So not sure whether it would be retrospectively applied back into existing, but I guess depending on the technology, would depend on that. But that's pretty much it. Easy to use, select filter, and then off you go. So that's pretty much me for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to join me next week for surgery number 56. And I'm going to take you through some of the updated things in design collaboration, which were launched yesterday. So stay safe out there. See you all soon.